Hey there streamers, do you ever feel like you're missing out on potential viewers because you're stuck streaming to just one platform? Well, today we're changing that. In this video, I'll walk you through my top 5 tips for multi-streaming to Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, and more, so that you can maximize your reach and grow your community. Multi-streaming isn't just a trend, it's a powerful way to save time and engage with diverse audiences. If you've ever wondered how to get started or improve your setup, stick around. Whether you're new to streaming or looking to refine your skills, this guide is packed with lots of actionable advice you can put to use today. Ready to level up? Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need a solid multi-streaming software. Tools like Restream, Streamlabs, Atom Multistream plugin, and even the newly released StreamElements Multistream plugin make it easy to go live on multiple platforms simultaneously. Check out the latest video I did on StreamElements Multistream plugin, which allows you to multi-stream to TikTok without having to join an agency for a stream key or use TikTok's own live studio. The link will be below in the description for those that are interested. Now let's break it down a bit. Restream is fantastic if you're just starting out with its user-friendly interface and robust free tier. Streamlabs, on the other hand, is a favorite among advanced users because of its seamless integration with overlays and alerts. Personally, I've found both Atom and StreamElements flexibility to be a game changer, especially with their TikTok-specific settings. Both of these programs are lightweight, intuitive, and don't bog down your system. I give StreamElements the edge at the moment solely on their integration directly to TikTok and the ability to have multiple canvases that can be output to different streams. It should be noted though that Streamlabs just came out and did the same thing. When choosing software, think about your specific needs. Are you looking for advanced customization? Do you need a free option? Take the time to experiment, as your software choice can make or break your multi-streaming experience. Now let's talk settings, because what works for Twitch might not work for TikTok. Twitch loves a widescreen 16:9 format. YouTube thrives in high definition 1440p or 4K, and TikTok requires a vertical 9:16 layout for your mobile viewers. Let's go a bit deeper into why these settings matter though. Twitch viewers are often watching on larger screens, which makes higher resolutions and widescreen formats essential for an immersive experience. TikTok, however, is primarily a mobile platform, so a vertical format ensures your stream looks natural and engaging on smaller devices. Most tools allow you to adjust these settings with presets, but don't rely solely on the defaults. Dive into the settings menu and test different bit rates and resolutions. Remember to also monitor your internet speeds, as a stable connection is just as important as good settings. Run test streams, record sample clips, and review them to ensure stream quality is top-notch across all platforms. A smooth, clear stream can be the difference between keeping viewers engaged and losing them to frustration. One thing nobody tells you about multi-streaming though, the chat chaos. Each platform has its own chat system, and juggling them can get overwhelming fast. I can remember when I first started multi-streaming, I'd constantly miss questions from viewers on TikTok because I was too focused on my Twitch chat. That's when I discovered tools like Caster Labs Caffeinated, which consolidated messages from all platforms into a single feed. With this being the only program that has seemed to integrate TikTok to this point, this was a game changer. Now, instead of frantically switching between tabs, I can focus on engaging with my audience. A quick tip: greet your viewers collectively, but don't hesitate to address specific platforms when needed. For example, you can say, "Great question from our TikTok chat," to make viewers feel seen. Also, set up clear moderation rules. Empower your mods to help maintain a welcoming environment. Engaged and happy viewers are the heart of any successful stream, so make chat management a priority. And I would even go a step further and say that I would have mods for each particular platform. Remember, not all platforms are created equal. TikTok users love quick, engaging content, while Twitch audiences enjoy in-depth interaction, and YouTube is perfect for polished long-form videos. Let's break this down further. TikTok thrives on trends, so incorporating popular hashtags or sounds can help you connect with its audience. Twitch, however, is all about community building, so focus on real-time interaction and letting your personality shine. On YouTube, viewers appreciate structured, high-quality content. When multi-streaming, aim for content that appeals to all audiences. A live Q&A, for example, allows for quick responses to TikTok viewers while keeping Twitch and YouTube audiences engaged in deeper discussions. Balance your energy levels, tone, and pacing to ensure your stream feels cohesive. Experiment with different formats and take note of what resonates with your audience on each platform. With a little practice, you can tailor your streams to create a unique experience for every viewer. One suggestion that is widely agreed upon is starting your streams out solely on a specific platform to engage that audience, and then moving them over to add other platforms in after some time has passed. I highly suggest using this method and starting out with your TikTok audience or YouTube Shorts. Lastly, don't skip the numbers. Analytics are your best friend when multi-streaming. Twitch Insights can show you your peak engagement times, YouTube Studio tracks viewer retention, and TikTok Analytics highlight what's trending. But what do these numbers actually mean? Let's break it down. Peak engagement times on Twitch can guide your scheduling. Streaming during the most active hours ensures you're connecting with the largest audience possible. On YouTube, watch time and click-through rates can reveal how well your content is performing and where improvements can be made. TikTok's analytics often highlight which clips are going viral, giving you insights into the type of content to create more of, and that's trending. Regularly review your performance metrics and adapt your content to what's working. Keep a notebook or a spreadsheet to track changes over time because seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating. The more you learn from your data, the better your streams will perform. And there you have it. 5 tips to crush multi-streaming like a pro. From choosing the right software to tailoring your content, these strategies can help you reach more viewers and grow your community. Remember, multi-streaming isn't just about being everywhere at once. It's about connecting with the people where they are. Ready to start? Let me know in the comments which tip you'll try first, or share your own multi-streaming advice. If you found this guide to be helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow creators. Every like and comment helps more streamers to find it. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.